What up? We're gonna do an unboxing today. Been waiting for this package for my boys. My boys, man, I knew them going on 10 years. Whadafunk. All right. Oh, yeah. Started off with this beanie right here. You see that? Whadafunk driplet all day. These, my boys, you can find these in Zoomies or on their website, whadafunk.net. We're gonna go in. Bunch of goodies here. I got a air freshener, some stickers. Got a t-shirt. 1 second. Take the t-shirt out the back because you gotta see this. Check this out. No rules. Whadafunk shirt. Everything is hand sketched, hand drawn, and hand silkscreened by the man himself, John Whadafunk. That's a chest, and this is the back print. Love it. I might tie-dye this, might not. I'm gonna keep going. Next up, tote bag. I love totes. It's my, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I go to the market. Everything's reusable. Why not? Whadafunk tote. Front print, back print, same print. It's a sunflower. I love it. And we got another tote, black tote. Another amazing skull and wing design by Whadafunk. Love it. We got another no rules shirt, same shirt, but in black. Lit. We got the fire. I like to say, like, this is like a viney kind of print, but it's a Whadafunk chest and back print with the vine and thorns. Lit. I love it. Love it. Always show love to these guys. There's always show love to me. We go back. What else we got? All right, we got this one right here. We got this long sleeve shirt, Escape Reality, hand drawn, hand silk screen. We got the sleeve prints that say Escape going down. Back print on that. It's fire. Can't go wrong. I got these items on their Black Friday. Best deal ever. This is my favorite right here. Once when I saw them release this, I was like, oh man, I need to get that. Like, I need to get this Whadafunk pullover right here. Like, this is my favorite piece of the whole line that he recently dropped for fall winter. Back print, got the chains, got the spider web, yellow Whadafunk. You're gonna see this. You're gonna see this. It's always love when I'm fucking with Whadafunk. We got the fire, hand-drawn, made air freshener. That's lit. And that's everybody, man. That's everything in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed.